time is the best, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's too bad the boys aren't here.
What? Are you
Kidding me.
They smell.
Well, I always have lots of fun with them, and here I've just got cucumber slices on my eyes.
We have fun with the boys too, Minka.
But sometimes girls just need a little girl time.
Yeah! But can't we have girl time with the boys around?
No! I'll tell you a little something about girl time. Share what it means to me. All of the things I love to do might seem a little bit girly, but when I grab my girlfriends and we start peppering, suddenly looking beautiful on the outside makes you feel just as good within.
Girl time to me means getting silly, being myself and laughing till we roll on the floor, joking some more. One gag and we're set. There are some jokes just for my girls. The boys will never get, because girl time,
It makes us strong.
listen as we sing our song. Girl time is what we need. Band together we'll succeed. Girl time is time well spent. We're doctors, lawyers, presidents. Girl time is not for guys. We can play and win a prize. I'll tell you a little something about girl time, why it is so ideal. I can talk to my girlfriends, telling them all the things I feel. Some boys won't talk about feelings, it's hard for them to see, but my girls are there to listen and feel the same things as me.
Anytime girls spend together is girl time. Doesn't matter where or what we're doing to feel so fine.
Learn about each other, learn about ourselves. I see knowledge is our power, and girl time is our wealth. Because girl time, it gives us strength to run and jump some crazy lengths. Girl time is what we need to keep us reaching our top speed. Girl time is time well spent. We're doctors, lawyers, presidents. Girl time, give it a whirl. Lead the boys, it's time for girls. Ladies, cucumber slices.
I wish the boys were here.